Welcome to the year 2026. Step inside a world where traditional craftsmanship meets the absolute peak of modern automation and hyper-intelligent robotic engineering systems today. This is the birthplace of a new legend. Here, we tame aerospace carbon fiber and liquid titanium to create timepieces that are truly destined for eternity. This is not a traditional workshop. It is a sanctuary of technology where raw elements are transformed into art through the power of advanced artificial intelligence. Every mark made is a testament to our pursuit of perfection, merging the strength of the toughest metals with the finesse of high-end luxury watchmaking. Watch as aerospace carbon fiber is prepared for its transformation. This material, used in the wings of modern jets, will soon become a wearable masterpiece. Our AI systems analyze every single fiber to ensure structural integrity is maintained at the microscopic level before the heavy industrial forging process even begins. The scale of this operation is unprecedented. Thousands of robots work in perfect harmony, directed by a central brain that never sleeps and never makes mistakes. Prepare to witness the birth of a masterpiece. We are moving into the heart of the forge, where the true transformation of these exotic materials starts. Behold, liquid titanium in its most primal state. We melt this incredible metal at extreme temperatures to ensure it flows perfectly into our custom-designed vacuum molds. Our artificial intelligence monitors the temperature with a precision of 0.1 degrees Celsius, ensuring the molecular structure of the metal is absolutely flawless. Simultaneously, carbon fiber sheets as thin as silk are layered by high-speed robots. This intricate stacking process creates the unique marbled patterns seen on every watch. A 5,000-ton press then exerts immense pressure, crushing the layers into a single, incredibly dense block that is virtually indestructible and incredibly lightweight. The result is a material that is stronger than steel, yet light as a feather. Every block possesses a unique visual signature that can never be replicated. Liquid titanium is a miracle of modern science. It offers unparalleled corrosion resistance and a strength-to-weight ratio that makes traditional stainless steel seem completely obsolete. Rapid cooling cycles in an inert nitrogen atmosphere prevent any oxidation, keeping the titanium's purity at the highest possible level for the next machining phase. Even at this stage, cleanliness is paramount. Ultrasonic waves strip away any impurities, preparing the carbon surface for the high-precision cutting that is about to follow. We are forging the materials of the future. By combining aerospace-grade carbon and liquid titanium, we are setting a new standard for durability in luxury horology. This industrial dance is a symphony of fire and force. It is the essential first step in creating a watch that can withstand the most extreme environments. Look closely at the grain. This purity ensures that the final product will not only look stunning, but will also remain structurally sound for several centuries. Now we enter the realm of absolute precision. Our 9-axis CNC machines use diamond-tipped tools to carve through the carbon with effortless computer-guided accuracy. A constant stream of specialized coolant ensures the temperature remains stable, preventing any thermal expansion that could compromise the strict tolerances of the watch case. After every cut, the piece is measured by a laser scanner. We operate in a world where a hair's breadth is considered a massive, unacceptable error. The tolerance is set at 0.001 microns. This level of precision is impossible for human hands, but routine for our advanced algorithms. Every internal slot and mounting point is carved with 10,000 lines of code, ensuring that the complex mechanical movement will fit perfectly within its shell. The diamond bits are replaced every few hours to maintain a razor-sharp edge, guaranteeing that every curve of the watch is as smooth as polished glass. Human skill has evolved into algorithmic design. We define the beauty and the machines execute it with a level of perfection that was once considered impossible. The scanning process is relentless. If even a single microscopic defect is detected, the component is immediately rejected and sent back for material recycling and recovery. The lugs are shaped for maximum comfort on the wrist. The 9-axis movement allows for complex geometries that traditional milling machines simply could not ever achieve. There is a certain beauty in the process. The industrial fluid acts as both a lubricant and a shield, protecting the integrity of the carbon fiber weave. Row after row of finished cases emerge. Each one is a twin of the other, possessing the same exact dimensions down to the very last atom. The edges are sharp, the surfaces are smooth, and the weight is surprisingly light. We have successfully turned raw elements into a high-tech armor for time. We now enter the clean room, the most sterile environment in the factory, where the mechanical heart of the watch begins its delicate and complex assembly. Thousands of tiny gears, plated in 18-karat pink gold, glide across magnetic belts. These are the components that will soon pulse with the rhythm of time. Micro-robots, far more precise than any human hand, install the hairspring. This is the soul of the watch, requiring a level of delicacy that is breathtaking. The first heartbeat. As the balance wheel begins its oscillation, the watch comes to life, powered by nothing but physics and the magic of mechanical engineering. Our computer vision systems check the escapement. If the alignment is off by even a fraction of a degree, the AI makes an instant micro-adjustment. Lubrication is applied with absolute precision. Exactly 1 picoliter of synthetic oil is placed on each jewel to ensure the movement runs smoothly. For decades, this is a masterpiece of micromechanics. Hundreds of parts work together in a space no larger than a coin, all monitored by our advanced digital systems. The rhythmic tick-tock is the sound of pure precision. It is a steady, unwavering pulse that will continue to beat regardless of the world outside. The automatic rotor is then attached, allowing the watch to harvest energy from the wearer's every movement, turning kinetic energy into stored mechanical power for timekeeping. The hairspring's expansion and contraction is perfectly symmetrical. This symmetry is the key to maintaining chronometric precision, even in the face of gravity's constant pull. Every movement is now ready for its first trial. They will run for 72 hours straight to ensure their performance meets our uncompromising brand standards. There is nothing quite like the sound of 1,000 movements ticking in unison. It is the heartbeat of the factory and the soul of our brand. The final assembly begins. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal is placed over the dial, sealing the delicate mechanical heart away from the elements forever. Torque-controlled screwdrivers tighten every bolt to the exact Newton meter required. This ensures the watch remains watertight and structurally sound under any kind of pressure. The strap, made of advanced fluoroelastomer, is then attached. It is designed to be as durable as the watch itself, resisting heat, chemicals, and extreme wear. The assembly is a dance of perfection. Every click is a confirmation that the components have merged into a single, cohesive, and incredibly powerful luxury tool. The dial comes alive. The hands, coated in high-performance luminous material, are ready to tell the time in the darkest depths or the highest peaks. Visual perfection is mandatory. Not a single speck of dust is allowed inside the case, as even the smallest particle could eventually interfere with the gears. Even the buckle is a work of art, machined from the same liquid titanium as the case, providing a secure and comfortable fit for the wearer. The screw-down crown is the final barrier against the elements. Its triple seal system ensures that no moisture can ever penetrate the internal mechanical movement. Handling is done with extreme care. Although the watch is built for toughness, we treat every single piece with the respect a masterpiece of engineering deserves. We are witnessing the convergence of materials and machines. This is the moment when carbon, titanium, and mechanical genius finally become one unified object. The future of manufacturing is here. It is silent, efficient, and capable of producing objects of beauty that will last for many generations to come. Now comes the true test. We submerge the watch in high-pressure chambers to simulate the crushing depths of the ocean at 300 meters deep. The titanium case and sapphire crystal hold firm. Our engineering ensures that the watch remains, completely unaffected by the immense physical forces acting upon it. After testing, the titanium edges are polished to a mirror finish. Our robots use a gentle touch to create a contrast between the matte carbon and shiny metal. The mirror finish on the titanium is legendary. It creates a play of light that highlights the complex geometry and the sharp, masculine lines of the case. We inspect the finish under an electron microscope. Not a single scratch or imperfection is allowed to remain on the surface of our finished product. We subject every watch to 500 hours of rigorous testing. This includes shock resistance trials that would destroy most ordinary mechanical timepieces instantly today. From Arctic cold to desert heat, our watches are built to perform anywhere on Earth. The materials we use ensure stability regardless of the external temperature. Accuracy is the ultimate goal. We synchronize every watch with an atomic clock to guarantee that it keeps time with the highest possible degree of precision. Only the perfect survive. Any watch that fails even a single test is dismantled, its parts analyzed, and its materials recycled back into the production cycle, the final touch. A pristine finish for a pristine machine. We are now ready to present this creation to the world as a beacon of luxury. Every watch receives its unique identity. This serial number is its passport, documenting its birth in the most advanced factory. In the history of watchmaking, they are ready. A fleet of mechanical wonders forged in fire and finished by the world's most advanced robotic systems, ready for their new owners. Putting it on is a revelation. The weight, the texture, and the presence of the watch on the wrist are unlike anything else in the world. The carbon fiber patterns shift and change as you move, creating a dynamic visual experience that makes the watch feel alive and constantly evolving. We have pushed the boundaries of what is possible. This is the culmination of years of research, development, and a passion for engineering excellence. When the lights go out, the watch continues to shine. Its luminescence is a guiding light, a symbol of human ingenuity that never fades or falters. In this, a world of fast fashion and disposable technology, we have created something permanent. We don't just measure time, we have mastered the art of it. Listen to the heartbeat of the future. It is a steady mechanical pulse that reminds us of the incredible potential of combining human vision with machine precision. Precision, power, future. These are the pillars of our brand and the promise we make to every person who wears one of our creations. This is the new standard of luxury. Welcome to the future of timekeeping, where the impossible becomes the reality we wear on our wrists every day. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mega factory of 2026. The evolution of the mechanical watch has only just begun.